So in this little video, we're going to be taking a look at how to adjust the collision mask for a sprite. And this is pretty important for all kinds of collisions later on, whether it's landing on something, picking something up, hitting something deadly and dying. The collision mask is really important. So in order to do this on any given sprite, we can just double click over in the sprite area on the sprite we're trying to adjust. In this case, we're going to be adjusting all of the fishPod sprites so that they're the same setup. And one of the first things you want to do is make sure you really have taken care of the origin, which was set up earlier when you loaded the sprites. It should say middle center, which should default it then to 32 by 32, and it's going to be pretty much right in this center here. Also, make sure this little preview mask is on, because without it, we won't know what the mask is looking like. So that dark gray area is showing us the mask. All right, and then to actually adjust it, over on this section of the screen, we find a collision mask drop down. So we choose that, and then we're going to make sure that these settings are true. So mode should be set to manual, and the type we're going to use is rectangle. All right, and then the last thing we have to do is pay attention to what the values are going to be for left, right, top, and bottom, respectively. So use the numbers indicated in the book, and we're going to put that to there. All right, so you can now see that this gray area here is what we're really going to be using as the collision mask for this version of fishPod. So when he's falling to the left, his flipper here nor his flipper here will count as a collision with something. So the bulk of his body, by using this rectangle, is going to count as the collision. Okay, so make sure you do that for all of the sprites. All the fishPod ones are going to use the same settings, and then pay attention for the lava and the rocks as far as what their collision masks should be too. All right, good luck.